This is the latest broadcast first. A half-hour special that I shot entirely with my iPhone, airing in the 5th largest television market in the country.
Rain, 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 it's coming down, but it don't
On WFAA Channel 8 in Dallas.
Going.
To this day, no one has broadcast 4 half-hour shows shot entirely with an iPhone.
39.
So, if I'm disrupting an industry, who could disrupt a journalism school? Who would take what I know and not be afraid to run with it?
You do everything with your iPhone.
Who has no fear?
I was looking for a go there.
Who feels their iPhone is part of their being already? Griffin, Tony, Shannon. I accepted the offer at Michigan State University to innovate full-time, to develop dedicated iPhone storytelling courses called Storytelling with Phones.
Okay, what I've learned from you is that I can shoot anything on my iPhone.
With you telling us that it can be simply done on your iPhone and everything like that, I mean, MSU has got to be the first.
But it's not about the phone, it's about the creativity of the person using it. Technology changes, storytelling never will.
You know it's against the law to shoot vertical video.
There's a healthy debate about that. In my professional work, I'm proving to an industry that shooting entirely on my iPhone can compete and win at the highest level with all the other TV stations. The latest Phoning It In show continues to grab attention. It's not just the equipment.
In ever since.
It's the philosophy.
People ask me how I do it, so I'm going to tell you. It's with layers of perception.
Evidence of my innovation means getting invited all over the world to share what I do with my phone.
Here's the story he found on
When I broadcast a story,
and shot only with his iPhone.
Shannon and Tony and Kendall seem to be inspired by it because they're starting to realize that they can become storytellers with an iPhone too.
And of course, this entire video was shot on my iPhone.